Hey, this is a 2005 Suzuki Boulevard C90. I am changing the battery, which sits, this is the front tire. The battery sits right in front of the front tire behind this metal thing. So far, I got to take this off, they're hex bolts, they look like this. And then this one up here and the one on the other side, and then this piece comes off, and I will go to the next part when I get to it. Next, to disconnect the battery, it's loose on that side. Then I go around the other side and do that one. Here's the other one. I don't want it to drop. Next thing you do is remove this 10mm bolt, which I already loosened. So that makes it move like this. This is the battery. I'm moving it. I don't know if you can see it. And then this nut, or this bolt right here, is the only thing holding it, and the bottom tilts out. On the positive side, which is the driver's side, I guess you can call it on a bike, you also have another 10mm nut, which isn't allowing it to slide out, so we got to remove that as well. It has a Phillips head bolt, but you can also use a 10mm ratchet if it doesn't loosen up. The other one on the other side is also a 10mm ratchet. Once you pull the last ones out, this thing slides like this, and then you have a Phillips head here and a Phillips head on the other side. You take those out. Once you've taken those Phillips head out on both sides, this plate comes off, and then the battery comes right out. Everything goes back in the same way. So I slid the new battery back in. See how it's loose like that. Next thing is I'm going to put this cover back on it. I can't do this and hold the phone at the same time, but I'm trying to help someone like me who's doing it for the first time and they don't know how to do it. So on this cover, you got the two side ones. They go on. The ones that are on the bottom, they connect when you put that metal thing back on there, the metal front plate.